Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on shield and guard notifications on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the more settings button. In the notification section, you can find the second option, the shield and guard, and if you want to turn on, just click to the off button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.